Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of sweeteners and uncovering the best white sugar substitute on the market. Introducing Lakanto monk fruit sweetener with erythritol, the ultimate sugar replacement that's taking the culinary world by storm. With its zero-calorie, keto-friendly formula, Lakanto is revolutionizing the way we sweeten our favorite treats. What sets Lakanto apart from other sweeteners? Let's break it down. Not only does it offer the perfect cup-for-cup replacement for sugar, but it also boasts zero net carbs and 0 calories. Plus, it's non-GMO and gluten-free, making it a versatile option for a variety of dietary needs. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cookies, blending a smoothie, or sweetening your morning coffee, Lakanto delivers the same great taste and texture as traditional sugar without any of the guilt. And with its natural sweetness derived from monk fruit extract and erythritol, you can indulge in your favorite treats without worrying about sugar spikes. But wait, there's more. Lakanto isn't just for baking, it's also perfect for cooking, making it a must-have pantry staple for anyone looking to elevate their culinary creations. From sugar-free creme brulee to guilt-free smoothies, the possibilities are endless with Lakanto monk fruit sweetener. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about Lakanto's taste, performance, and versatility. From home bakers to health-conscious consumers, everyone agrees, Lakanto is the ultimate white sugar substitute. So why settle for ordinary sugar when you can have the best? Make the switch to Lakanto monk fruit sweetener today and experience the sweet taste of success in every bite. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy sweetening!